Good morning. I am back again with our April market stats. Thanks for always tuning in for these, by the way. I think it's super interesting to just be able to talk with you about the market and what the market here in Wichita is doing. So in April, our sales actually fell 3.1% year over year. Our current month supply is 2.2 months, which that is still very strongly a seller market, and that's up 5% year over year. So our market is really doing some interesting things here. I think we're seeing April was reacting a little bit, all of those sales, falling. And it also should be noted that, we were down 3.1%, which equated for about 40 homes. So we're not talking hundreds less home sales that happened. It's about 30 to 40 homes. So nothing massively different. And I think that, the war with Iran and some uncertainty in the market, those kinds of things all played into that. What we are seeing currently today in mid-May in the market is things are very competitive. And really at all price points. I have had competitive situations, meaning multiple offers, people going over ask, not taking any repairs, having appraisal waivers, all kinds of things happening. Starting, that 262 price point, lots and lots of that at that price point, at the $500 million price point, and even up beyond $1 million. So this is happening across the board in our market. There are some very competitive situations out there, and yet we still have buyers going under contract and buying homes. So it's still a great time to buy a home, especially I would say, just as a note, new construction seems to have taken a little bit of a bigger hit in this market. Their sales are down about 15%. So they're seeing a little more of a drastic change in numbers, which can be great if you're a buyer considering new construction. We are seeing some concessions being given in those situations. So if you'd ever like to know more or just curious what your home is worth in this market, I'm more than glad to do a market analysis on your home. It doesn't mean you have to sell your house. I just provide that to all of my people as a point of reference as a homeowner. It's something that I'm always curious on and want to keep tabs on. My biggest investment is worth in this market. No different than when you go online and look at your 401k. So always happy to provide that if that would be of help to you. And I hope you have a great rest of your month, and I'll talk to you next month.